Jerry has a little look. G'day, how you going? Cockatoo season. Hey Jerry, cockatoo season. Jerry. So you can see there's a big massive tree in my neighbour, my back door neighbour. It's a almond tree, I think. They're almonds. And the cockies, they love the almond. So I've got my EM1 Mark II with my bazooka. Had to wake up early. They come in the afternoon as well. I took shots in the afternoon and in the morning. In the afternoon and the morning they come and devour the bloody almond. There's almond shells all over the place. Sometimes they even come and fly. I'll show you where I am. Like, you would not believe it. This is like, that's my studio. And I've got the best bird's eye view here. Put it on silent shutter mode at 1/2000 because it's pretty light out there, and the ISO is 2500. That's a bit much because in the afternoon it's really dark, so the ISO goes up to like 6400. I want to get them fast moving, so I want to capture it and at speed 2000, but the ISO is on auto, so it just fluctuates, but that's alright. I thought it'd be lighter. Now obviously for the ones that are stationary, you don't need 2000 speed, so you can go down to say 500 because they're flapping their wings and stuff. But then you'll every now and then they'll fly off and you'll miss one, so I guess you could just do both because they're there for ages. Hey Jerry, where are you? You still sleeping? You're back. He went inside. Jerry just woke up, did her the usual wee wee, and now she's come to help me. Jerry, you come to help. I find I'm utilising the exposure compensation a lot, because the sun is beaming down right on it. I'm just mucking around with the exposure compensation. Hey Jerry, the cockies, they're so white and bright when the sun hits them that it tends to blow out. A bit like, you know, the eagle head and the bald eagle. Whoa. Hey, they're coming straight at me. Jeez, I hope they... I have to go back to 100 because they're flying right at me. Because they land on my roof. Hey Jerry. You see the cocky on the roof, Jerry? They land on my roof here, just here. And it's like, I have to go back to 100 and even that's too far. I need my wide angle. My private little cockatoo farm. Look at all those nuts. But it'd be good, it actually would be good to have those strap on, and you can strap it on like that. I've got the sling, which is good, but I can see the advantages of that as well, the one that Weekend Wanderer did. Yeah, that would be good, because your arms get so tired, especially just waiting around. That's why I probably should get my monopod. Jerry, you reckon I should get my monopod? Be easier. Because my arms get so sore, Jerry. Do you understand? Yeah. There's a couple of rosellas. I saw some parrots too yesterday, but the only disadvantage is it's in a suburban environment. There's houses and barbed wire and fences and poles and electricity lines, and it's not a, but if you want to just capture that, well, practice, good practice, because it's right in my kitchen. Good practice, and I can sit down and put my elbow on the bench like in a hide, I guess. But yeah, it's not the best environment, you know, you're not over water or the ocean, or anyway. That's the beginning of autumn, so it's cocky season. Hey Jerry, cocky season. Jerry, it's cocky season.